welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. So Umacele noMakhwela, they stayed on vacation, they're still having a good time. Umacele wevuka ekuseni and goes to Makhwela's room. Ethi ufuna ukumbheka yena lele kahle nje, it's nice. Ubheka uMakhwela ukuthi is she fine. Find that Makhwela has arranged ukuthi breakfast yenziwe uyena azathi breakfast is at my place. And then bahlale ke to have their breakfast. And then Umacele ke athi ufonela uMthombeni because they haven't been able to get hold of him. Amfonele ke uMthombeni and then amthole bathi okay fine, hi unjani. And then uMthombeni seems to be shocked ukuthi how you guys are together kuthiwani ku-vacation. Ethi uMthombeni so Umacele has found someone to go out with to do things le nabo bezenzayo le ku-vacation naye, meaning ukuthi Umacele now is comfortable noMakhwela. And then athi Umacele how umfonele yini uMakhwela athi uMthombeni cha, I didn't know that I can call her when she is with you. Ahleke nje uMacele athi awazi ngani, but how I didn't know, athi uMakhwela I didn't know that Mthombeni needs permission to call me. And then Macele passes the phone over to her to talk to Mthombeni. Bakhuluma ke athi okay fine, now that I know that I can call you when you're with Macele, I'm gonna call you later. And then Macele says the unthinkable, telling uMakhwela ukuthi hayi sho ukuthi ubalekile because she's means she's very important because she comes and then things go on a standstill, meaning ukuthi ubalekile, she's important. And then she also says ukuthi she's also important because yena naye ufike yena kuqala, she's the one that came first. Show to nje boy two, the both of them, they are very important, meaning that they've got power kuMthombeni ke. What is she encouraging this fifth wife to do, knowing that she has power, she's very important? What does she imply? What is she implying about the other wives? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.